production. It is a process of growing crops for food, raw materials, or the other uses. So crop production is mo siya ang kanang process to kada kibali kung magtanong ta mo siya. So there are the green sticks and crop production. First is the land preparation. So plowing, leveling, and making the soil ready for planting. So first is the land preparation. So before na magtanong, ang yuta is mag-prepare dito tarong na tamnananan, di ba? Makita ka og kanang yuta matambok para imuhang tanong is kanang tambok po dili mo siya. Next is the seed selection and sowing. Choosing high quality seeds and planting them. So before na magtanong is mangita din ka og kanang high quality na seeds tapos before ay kanang high quality na seeds para kato tanong nimo siya is tarong iyang tubo. Quality pag imuhang ma-harvest. Third is the adding manure and fertilizers. So supply nutrients for healthy growth. So manure is the kanang other term of fertilizer pero organic siya like kanang it is a manok tapos kanang kayo manok sa abang makita man iyang inipan sa baka ano siya. Next, fourth is irrigation. Watering crops at proper interval. So pag nakatanong na kayo, dapat ang imong pag-bisbis sa imong tanong is naka-proper yun siya, dili ng sobra, dili ko ng kulang, kaya pag sobra imong kuhan, malaka imong tanong. Five is weeding. Removing unwanted plants that compete with crops. So, iligtan ay sa imong tinanong is makita nimo nga, dagan kayo siya og salbot. So, ito yun din siya, aron dili, ang nutrients sa yuta, dili ilobon sa salbot. Next, crop protection. Using pesticides or natural methods to prevent pests and diseases. So, di ba, hindi ka nang matagto na nakakita mo ng ibali na ay sa kanang dagko na bitaw nga tamnan na plantation is magamit na sila og drone or helicopter. Helicopter para mag-spray sa yung tinanong napiyutan na kanang ano ba tawag? Russian net nga ano mo siya sa tanong para dili ko siya masundan og kanang mga pesticide. Seven is harvesting. Gathering the mature crops. So harvesting is kanang mag-harvest ka katong mga tinanong na nito, pero katong yung harvest is katong pag-harvest na din siya ng mga tinanong katong mga nakap na siya, mature na. 8 is storage. Giving harvested crops in safe conditions to avoid spoilage. So, yung harvesting mo, dapat ibutang mo siya sa tarong na butanganan. Kaya pag pataka-taka ang butang, malagdag, anton, patay. Next. Types of crop production. First is the food crops. Sa example na niya is rice, corn, vegetables, and fruits. Sa cash crops is katong sugarcane, cotton, tobacco, o coffee. Sa industrial crops is rubber, oilseeds, and next is the livestock production. It is the raising and managing of farm animals to provide food, labor, and other products useful for humans. So, dali is kanang usawon padako or pag-alaga og mga animals. The main purposes of livestock production is food, fiber and byproducts, work, service, and income. So, the major types of livestock is cattle, pigs, poultry, goats and sheep, and carabaos. So the steps in livestock production, first is the selection of breeds. Ini pagkada ko pa og kanang animals or like manok, baboy, dapat kanang healthy siya para kay para kuanin mo kasi maganda na siya. Second is the housing and shelter. Provide safe, clean, and comfortable housing. So, dapat nag-iin katong sa, di ba, sige ito, ganit sa poultry o proper ang Third is feeding and nutrition. Giving proper feed and water. tubo. Fifth is breeding and reproduction. Natural or artificial methods to increase stock. Sixth is care and management, maintaining hygiene and proper handling. So, like sa bago yan. So, dapat everyday hindi ka mahindog sa kanigin ng tangkal. Okay. Para, makukwet siya. Oh. Seven is marketing and utilization. Selling animals or animal products. So, the third part of agriculture is agricultural economics. It is a branch of economics that focuses on how people use resources like land, labor, capital, and management to produce, distribute, and consume agricultural products, crops, and livelihood. Mag-manage sa mga resources. So there are the key areas of agricultural economics is first the production economics. Second is the farm management. Third is the agribusiness. Fourth, agricultural finance, agricultural policy, rural development, and international trade. The importance of agricultural economics is to ensure food security by improving production and distribution. So, kasabot naman nun sa importance sa agricultural economics para ma-ensure ang food security. Helps farmers make better financial and management decisions. So, dira sa agricultural economics is kanang kabalo na ang mga farmers kung saan pag-manage financial kung saan nila saan nila pag-decision making ba dapat importante ang mga decision na ilang buhaton. Next, support sustainable farming by balancing productivity and environmental care. Next is strengthens the national economy, especially in agricultural countries like Philippines. It guides governments in creating policies on pricing, subsidies, and trade. Last is the modern agriculture and kung paano siya i-connect sa katong ancient practices, atong mga practices sa una sa Philippines. So first, kainin system. Clearing land by burning then cutting root crops. Sa una, wala dyan ka ng mga machine na gamiton para gamiton na sa pag-agriculture nila. Sa una, ilang part is sunugod lang nila ang grass then ang ilang ipuling na tulong is ka ng kamuting kahoy, mga root crops. The next is rice terraces. Both to grow rice in mountain slopes using natural irrigation. So rice terrace karon diba is magamit na katong pang-spray itong nanay machine para mag-kuan sa tubig. So is natural ng view siya gikan sa bukid ng mga kuan. Next is fishing and hunting. So karon nanay buhaton para mapadali ang pagkuha nila og fish o magamit sila sa una magbanuman gid sila. So barter and trade. Ito na yung swapping. Use of the traditional tools. So mga traditional tools na bilang gamiton dito mga modernized na mga. Next is the modern agriculture today. So mechanized farming. So karon ini pag-farm ka na nagamiton like ini harvest. Magamit na ka og harvester. Sa una kanan dito. Sa irrigation system sa mga to nanay water pump na makina gamiton. Third is fertilizers and pesticides. So sa una, mga organic lang ang ginahang gamit pang pataba. Sa karon nanay mga fertilizers, mga pesticides. High yield varieties. The biotechnology, precision farming sustainable practices. The last is the connections between ancient and modern practices. First is the rice cultivation. Ancient Filipinos built the elaborate rice, but today we are used irrigation systems and hydrogenized to ensure food security. Next is the kaingin farming. While ancient slash and burn work for survival, modern agriculture promotes sustainable soil management to prevent forest loss. Next is fishing. So traditional fishing with nets and traps involved in aquaculture. fish ponds, tilapia farming. That is the livelihood.